PRJ7 PRJ Word, Microsoft Word Document Edit Multi-Line, Page 1 Section 1 PG Project, PRJ7 PRA. Learning Outcomes. Your assessment enables you to demonstrate your learning in relation to the mod. Navigation.
This document does not contain headings. If there were headings, it would be shown in this navigation section. To create heading structures to make this document more accessible, use heading 1 as the topmost heading. If you don't like a heading style, you can modify it. For the second heading, you will have to select Headings 2. You can then work your way through the document. If this heading is the same level as heading 2, you will have to select a heading 2 as the styling here. If it is coming under the headings 2, you will have to select a heading 3 for that. As you work your way through the document, setting the headings, you will be able to see that in the navigation there will be a structure created. So if you wanted to quickly jump to learning outcomes, you will be able to do it here.
PRJ7 PRJ Word, Microsoft Word Document Edit Multi-Line, Heading Level 1 Page 1 Section 1 PG Project, PRJ7 PRA, Learning Outcomes. Your assessment enables you to demonstrate your learning in relation to the module Learning Outcomes. Weekly Assessment Overview. In Weekly Study Hours. Engaging in activities and